Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will show you how to sell merch on Amazon. So, in this video, I will show you how to sell merch on demand on Amazon, which is a really easy process. So before we get started guys, make sure to watch this video from now till the end so you don't miss anything. If you had any problem, make sure to leave it down below. And of course, if there was any kind of questions, you can also leave them down below in the comment section. So now guys, let's get started with this video. Now, first of all guys, we need to go to Amazon merch. So let's go here, merch, and here we go, and here it is. So here it is, Amazon merch on demand. Now let's click on it, and of course we need to sign in to our account. So let's click on sign in, and simply here guys, you just have to log into your account. So let's log into my account. So here we go, and this is it. I think I have a wrong password, so I will just sign into my account guys and be right back to you guys. And here we are guys, so here we are. So sign up for an Amazon merch on demand account. So here what you need to do is click on continue. So these are the steps to actually start our account: business account information, bank account and routine numbers, and social security number for other tax identification number. So let's click on continue. So here guys, click on sign in, and here the password is incorrect. Let me just change it. So manage password. And here we go guys, so this is my two-step verification. So now you have to enter your mobile phone. It is simply by going to your country, choose your mobile phone and add it. So let's search for it. Here it is. So now I'm going to add simply my phone number, which is something like that, as I think. So just put here your phone number, as you can see here, send OTP, and then you shall receive SMS in your mobile phone. So now let's check if I have received anything in my phone. Here we go, Amazon, and yep, I did. So let's go here, let's open this link, and you will receive like a link. So now all we need to do is wait for the link to load in my browser. Let's give it some time. So here we are, let's load this link again. Let me just do that real quick. And here it is. So now someone signed in. So let us know this is what someone said into your account. Okay, this is me. That's everything is all right and correct. And now I'm just going to actually change or wait for it to change, send me the code. So back to you guys. Sorry, I had some problems, but anyway, so now I'm connected to merge on demand account. Now simply guys, you have to fill these informations. So which country slash region do you live in? So here I'm going to choose, for example, business type. Here I'm going to choose individual. Here the date of birth. So select the business type and enter the date of birth for the account holder name. Identify the added to your account bank account from below. So now I'm going to choose date of birth, which is gonna be something random. Let's make sure it's gonna be something like that, something like that. So here country region, we can choose United States, and here fill the information with something like that. We can actually use this website so we can get some informations to fill it with. So I'm going here with the full name, address line. I'm going to copy this, for example, paste it here. Here it is, the city, it's gonna be LA. Here it is, here states LA, so so let's search for it. LA. It's gonna be somewhere around here, or else we can choose, for example, Lafayette, of course, if we find it. Let's search if I can find it. I don't think I can find it, so let's choose just Alabama, for example, or Alaska. Here I'm going to choose postal code. It's gonna be this one, 7056. So here we go, and here phone number, it can be, for example, this one, or this one. Now let's copy it and paste it here, and business email address. So we can copy also this email address from here and paste it over here. Now tell us about your bank. What is your bank? So here we can put our bank. So let's see, where is it? Bank. So finance, Mastercard. We can find a lot of information in the websites, guys. So you can use it as well to fill these informations if you were not from the US. So here you can see the employment physical tracking number. So bunch of options here you can use to actually fill this information. Here I can click I don't have a bank and save and continue from here. Now as you can see, now if I click on continue, they will take me to continue here, so I have to put my bank detail. So here they will from here they will actually count or see your tax information, so you really have to make the correct bank details. So for example, let's make United States account holder name, so I'm going to copy this. For example, let's do this. Here we go, and here account number, so we can copy here the account number if I found it. Okay, I don't think I can actually have it. Um, we can get some fake American bank account number. And here we go. So here I'm going to actually try to get it. So 0 number, so routine number, account number. So let's copy this, put it here, and here it is the actual thing. So verify account number. Here we can, this doesn't much account number. So here I'm going to copy this and paste it over here. Then I will click on add. We were unable to match your routine number to a valid account. All right, let's try to generate a new one. But overall, this is what you have to do. So just fill this with your actual informations. For me, I'm just using this only for this video, only for the tutorial. So just fill these with your informations. In case you had a corporation, you can change this as well to your corporation and make it whatever you'd like it to be. So that's pretty much it. Then click on save and continue, and of course they will take you to the next step, which is to your accounts, and from there you can start your shop. And it is pretty easy, guys. And basically Amazon Merch on Demand, if you want here, for example, Amazon Merch, you will find here all the kind of merch that is on sale for on Amazon, and that's how your shop must will be looking like. So for example, if I click on this one, here it is how your shop is going to look. So these are the details, images, description, add to cart. Here, if you had any kind of other products on your shop, they will be shown in here. There is here we can find even the ratings. So if I went over here, you can find product details, customer ratings, as you can see how much rating you have. And if you went all the way down, you will find the comments as well of your products. So the function of or the process of adding products and making the price is not really hard. It is pretty easy. So the only thing that you must do is just complete signing up in your Amazon merch account, which is pretty much impossible for me because I'm not living in the US at the moment. But for you guys who lives in US, this is pretty easy step for you. You can just fill this information, click on save and continue, and your shop shall be created in couple seconds. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. So if you have any questions, please make sure, guys, to leave them down below in the comment section. And thank you guys a lot for watching.